Bonjour, sabaki. Konnichiwa. Good morning. Hello, kamusta po kayo? Welcome to my vlog. And this vlog, look at, we are here at Texas Roadhouse. Nandito po kami kasi kakain po kami ng steak. Steak. Because it's my birthday. And my husband treat me because he loves me so much. And look at this one. You know what? Ang gusto ko lang talaga doon ay yung peanut at saka yung bun nila kasi libre. Kidding. And also, very accommodating po yung mga crew, yung mga nagsiserve. Talagang good job. Well done. And look at that one. Nag-enjoy po kami kumain. And that is our quality time. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. See you in the next vlog.